mother, she will not stop. And the family will not stop until we get answers as to what happened to Teo Weng Kok. We're not talking about premises like a bus station where lots of people come in and out and etc. etc. We're talking about MACC officers. We are also talking about a case which has gone through the court. And the Court of Appeal actually made some very strong findings. When was this? 2014. 2014. And yet, this is Court of Appeal that has made it clear that this was not an accidental death. And if I can read Justice Hamid Sultan's just a summary of what he said. He said this: "It will be abhorrent to the notion of justice and fair play to say nobody was culpable when there was clear evidence to say otherwise. MACC or the relevant officers, being a responsible body, simply could not disclaim liability when its officers had taken the deceased into custody and kept the witness throughout, engaging in oppressive conduct which resulted in his death. If the oppressors had been laypersons, anyone else, the oppressors would have been charged by the police and or Attorney General's chambers for murder or culpable homicide not amounting to murder. That was not done in this case, which had resulted in a public outcry, and such failure breached the rule of law and several provisions of the Federal Constitution." Very clear findings made by the Court of Appeal, very clear directions given, and yet today, 11 years later, still nothing. And honestly, which family, which mother will keep quiet when nothing satisfactory has resulted from any of these investigations? Papers going up and down several times, going to court. Do we have to beg for justice? Do we have to plead for justice? Justice is the right of the family of Teo Weng Kok. His parents deserve to know what happened to him after all these years. And that's why I would strongly support the call. You have nothing to hide, there's no problem, right? Giving the investigation papers. I strongly support the call of YB Ram Karpal for the investigation papers to be released immediately. Thank you.